Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I want to discuss mental math problems. Okay. So before going to start, little information for you that you should get ready with your copies. Okay. At first you will try. After that you will see the solution. Okay. You should try. You should do it also. And since it is mental math, means you should solve it mentally. Clear? Clear or not, everyone? And another thing that you should read the question properly, and you should find out what is the meaning of the given question or given data. Okay. And RAB work also you should do in your right hand side, because I have seen that few students are doing their work properly, means they are doing RAB work in right hand side, but few students are not doing their work properly, means they are not doing their RAB work. Okay, so that's why you should do the work properly, means RAB work should be done. Okay, and you should shown also. Okay, so now let's start. Today we will discuss what exercise 87. See, exercise 87, first question is telling, question number 1, a triangle has 3 dash. A triangle has 3 dash. Very easy question, you can do it. You can do it. You can do or not? A triangle has 3 dash. Suppose this is a triangle. Suppose, okay, so here ABC. So it has what? It has 3 sides. This one, and this one, means AB side, BC side, and AC side. AB side, BC side, and AC side. Clear or not? Means 3 sides. 3 angles also is there. 3 angles means like that. This angle, angle A, angle B, and angle C. 3 angles are there. Clear or not? That means 3 sides are there as well as 3 angles are there. Understood? Clear or not? So that's why we write here 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 sides and angles means 3 sides and 3 angles. Understood, everyone? 3 sides as well as 3 angles. 3 angles. Clear? So first question clear, everyone? Okay. Next, question number 2 is telling, see the question and read the question, everyone. Question number 2 is telling, write the whole number part 141.056. Question number 2 is telling, write the whole number part 141.056. Easy question, you can do it. Whole number part and decimal number part already declared, already discussed also, already explained also. Clear or not? So which one decimal part and which one whole part? That before point, that part is called whole number part. Suppose here point, so before this part it is called what? Whole number part. This is whole number part, and here after point this is called decimal part. This is called decimal part. Understood or not? Clear? So here is telling in the question 141.056. so this is what? 056, this is what? Decimal part, and 141, this is what? Whole number part. Clear or not? So this is whole number part and that is decimal part. Understood? Clear? And this type of problem already explained or not? So clear? So what is your answer? Here 141 is your answer. Okay, so whole number part is 141. Understood, everyone? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now question number 3, read the question, everyone. And easy problems are there, very easy problems, important questions are there also, and you should solve all the problems easily, means as much as possible, as soon as possible you should practice it. Okay, because that mental math means you should practice very fast. Okay, solve it very fast. Okay. Okay, so now see question number 3. Question number 3 is telling that convert 3.11 into like decimal. বলেছে কি যে এগুলোকে তিনটে ডেসিমাল নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে, উই কনভার্ট ইনটু লাইক ডেসিমাল. Okay, so See, this is also very easy question. How to this one? This is what given means data. What is the data given? Unlike decimal given here. Why unlike? Because see, here given in the question 3.1, next 3.11, and next given 3.111. Here after point all digits are not same, because here after point 1 digit, here after point 2 digits, here after point 3 digits, that means not equal. After point all digits are not equal, that's why this one what? That's why this one unlike decimal. That's why this one unlike decimal. Clear or not? That is called what? Unlike decimal. So now we convert into like decimal. How we convert this one? How we convert this one? See, here 3.1, first question what given? 3.1. Here how many digits? Last how many digits are there? Means maximum how many digits are there? After point 3 digits, no, 3 digits, but here 1 digit, after point 1 digit, that means we need another 2 digits. That's why we will put it here 2 zeros. Understood? Clear or not? Because this third number, no, here after point 3 digits, but in first number after point 1 digit, so we should convert into like fraction or like decimal number here. So that's why we should bring other digits also, means 3 digits we need. So 1 digit is there, was there, so another 2 0 we will bring it. Okay, understood? Okay, second number, see, second decimal number what? 3.11. 3.11 means here how many digits are given? After point 2 digits, but here we need what? 3 digits, so that's why we will put it here 10. Understood or not? Understood? Now see 3.110. Clear? So that's why this is also, now it's coming what? 3 digits after point, and here 3.111. Okay, 3.111. This is what? This is what? Now see, like decimal, no? This is now like decimal, because here after point 3 digits, here also after point 3 digits, and here also after point 3 digits. Clear? So that is called what? Like decimal. So here answer will be what? Here answer will be 3.100, next 3.110, and another one 3.111. Question clear? Answer also clear? Clear on everyone? Understood? Okay, I hope you understood. And if any doubt these questions, no, whatever we are explaining, whatever we are discussing, you should inform me, I will explain again. Understood? Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is telling write in expanded form 824.206. Question number 4 is telling write in expanded form 824.206. means here short form given, no, we that convert into expanded form. So how should how we do this one? See, at first we will write the question 824.206. Clear? This is the question, this is the given data. We convert into what? We convert into expanded form, no. So see how to do this one. At first 8 was there, so that's why we will write what? 8. Okay, clear or not? So 8, after 8 how many digits? See here 2 4, no, point is, that is different thing. See, before point just check it, after 8 2 digits, 2 and 4, so that's why we need here 2 zeros. That means 8 into 100, that is called what? 800, no. That means this is meaning what? 8 into 100. Directly we are writing 800. Okay, otherwise we can write 8 into 100 also, we can write it. Just see I am writing. After that plus 2. Okay, next after 2 how many digits? 1 digit, only 4, so 1 0 will come. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, next only 4 is there, so 4 will come. That means 824 we are expanding to 824. 824 means 800 plus 20 plus 4. Understood up to this one? Clear or not everyone? Understood? Okay. Now see whole part complete. Now whole part complete. Now we'll discuss what? Decimal part. Decimal part is given what? 206. 206. So we'll write at first 2. For decimal part we'll write in denominator. Okay. For whole part we are writing in numerator, means 8 into 100. This one what? I am writing here 8 into 100. Okay. This one no need to write, that just for understanding I am writing here, plus here 2 into 10. Okay, like that, plus 4. So this form also we can write it. Clear? That means here we are doing multiplication, that is for whole part, but decimal part we are writing in denominator. For decimal part we are writing in denominator. Clear? So point 2 is there. 2 means which place? First place. First place means 10 will come. Understood? Clear or not? Okay. Next place what? 0. 0 by something. Here 0 means second place. That one we cannot write also. No need to write also. Otherwise we can write, no need. Okay, no problem also, that one also. Either we can write, otherwise no need to write also. No problem that one, because 0 is there, so that's why. So 0 by something, here 0 second place, that's why I am writing here. This is also for understanding. I am writing here 100. Why 100 sir? Because this is 0 is the second place, so that's why here 20 will come. Understood? Plus next 6 third place though. Third place means here after 1 how many 0 will come? 30 will come. So that is the what? That is the expanded form. Understood? I hope clear or not? Understood? Okay. So here expanded form will come 800 plus 20 plus 4 plus 2 by 10 plus 0 by 100 we can write, or no need to write also. Okay, just for understanding I am writing here 0 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Understood everyone? Clear or not? This is expanded form. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is telling what? Read the question. Write multiplicative inverse of 6 by 5. Write multiplicative inverse of 6 by 5. Very easy. You should do it. Try it everyone. Otherwise I will explain. Okay, at first you try. Okay, see how to do this one. See here given multiplicative inverse of 6 by 5. Very easy. How to do this? See here given what? 6 by 5, no? 6 what? Numerator and 5 denominator. So when we will find out the multiplicative inverse, that one will come in reciprocal. Reciprocal means 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Understood everyone? 5 by 6 means only changing their place. Numerator will be denominator. Here 6 was there what? Numerator. So this one will be what? Denominator. And 5 was what? Denominator. That one will be numerator. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? That is called multiplicative inverse. Suppose 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Multiplicative inverse what? Multiplicative inverse what will come? 3 by 2. Only what will change? Numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Try to understand what is the meaning of the multiplicative inverse. Okay. So another thing what? See here 6 by 5 given, no? 6 by 5, and here telling multiplicative inverse means we will write here multiplicative sign or multiplication, okay, sign or multiply sign. We should write it here. After that here I am telling what? 5 by 6, no? So I am writing here 5 by 6. Now we can cancel it. See how we cancel this one? 5 5 ja, 5 and 5 5 1 ja 5. Here also 5 1 5 1 ja 5. Next here 6 1 ja 6. Here also 6 1 ja 6. That means ultimately is coming what? Here in numerator 1 into 1 1, denominator also 1 into 1 1. That means ultimately is coming 1. That means multiplicative inverse of any number, if we multiply of that number, no, that what will come? 1 will come. Okay, suppose a fraction and their multiplicative inverse, but its multiplicative inverse, if we multiply it, what will come? 1 will come. Understood everyone? Suppose here 2 by 3, I told you 2 by 3, 2 by 3, its multiplicative inverse what? 3 by 2, no? So if we do the multiplication, what will come here? 3 3 will be cancelled and 2 2 will be cancelled. So only what will come here? Only what will come? 1 and here 1, that means 1 will come. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? So that's why, so multiplicative inverse I have understood, and multiplicative inverse and another of its number of the number of the number, if we do the multiply, what will come? 1 will come. Understood? So here answer will be what? 5 by 6. 6 by 5 was there, so that one will be 5 by 6. Clear? Clear or not everyone? Understood? Clear? Okay. Now see next question. Question number 6. Read the question. Okay, write numeral for 404,105,063. Clear? Write numeral for 404 million, okay, 105,000, okay, 63. Clear? Clear or not? So that's why what will write here? What will write here? See, numeral for 404 million. 404 million. At first we will write what? 404. At first we will write what? 404. Up to this one clear? And this is also very easy. Just try to understand what is the given data and what is the meaning of the question. At first 404 million, no? So at first we will write what? 404. Next, million means how many zeros? Million means 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 404. After that how many zeros? 6 zeros. Lakh means we know that 5 zeros, but million means 6 zeros. Up to this one clear? Okay. Next, 105,000. 105,000. So we will write here 105. See, 105. After the 1000 means 3 zeros. 1000 means 3 zeros. We can write it. Clear or not? We can write it or not? We can write it. Understood? Clear? Okay. So here what will come here? 404 000 404 000, and after that means total how many zeros are here? 6 zeros. First here 6 zeros. Okay, first 6 zeros. After that here what? 105. After that how many zeros? 3 zeros. This is for what? This is for what? 105,000. So that's why I am writing here 105. After the 1000 means 3 zeros. Okay. Next 63. Next 63. Okay. So after that what to do? After that we will do what? Addition. Do everyone do addition? Everyone do addition? Clear or not? Everyone do addition? So see here what will come? What will come here? Here 3. Here 3 will come. After that here 6. After that here 0. Okay. So here at first 3, next 6, next 0, next 5. Okay. Then 0 here, 0, next 1. After that here 404. 404. Okay. So this is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? So and we can give here a also, comma also here, here. We can give or not? Because numeral means that is international, the number system, no, not Indian number system. So that's why after 3 digits we should put it. So here answer will be what? 404, comma 105, comma 063. Clear everyone? Clear? So here will be this one 3. Okay. So 404, 105, comma 063. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next question number 7. Question number 7 is telling convert 0.025 into fraction. Clear? Convert 0.025 into fraction. So how to do this one? See, very easy, and this type of problem important problem also, and you can do it also. How to do? At first we will write the question 0.025. okay, this is decimal number, we convert into fraction. No, just remove the fraction. I am removing the fraction. So what will come here? So 1 will come at first. After that, how many digits after point? 3 digits. So 3 zeros will come. Okay, clear or not? Clear? This one we can write, this one also we can write. That means what? 25 by 1000. This one also we can write. Otherwise we can do the cancellation also, we can do it. See how to do this one, cancellation. If we do the cancel, what will come? 25 1 ja 25 and 25 4 ja 100, means 40 will come. So 1 by 40 will come. Okay, so that's why here 1 and here 40. This one also we can write it. Otherwise 25 by 1000 also we can write it, your choice. Okay, but that is better. 1 by 40, that is better. Means after that cancellation or after lowest term, converting the lowest term, we are writing the answer. So that's why. Okay, everyone. Now see question number 8. Question number 8 is telling 5.25 into 6. 5.25 into 6. So 6 5 is 30, 0, 3 carry. Clear or not? 6 by 30, 0, 3 carry. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5, 1 carry. And 6 is 30, 30 plus 1, 31. Clear? So that means it is coming what? 6 by 30, 0, 3 carry. 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5, 1 carry, 1 carry. And 6 is 30, 30 plus 1, 31. That means 3150 is coming. Now we will put the point. See here, after point 2 digits. That's why from right hand side, we should go to the left hand side. So after how many digits? After 2 digits the point will come. After 2 digits means point will be here only. Okay, that means 31.50. 31.50. So here answer will be what? 31.50. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Question number 9. Question number 9 is telling important question. This one very important. D equal to given. D equal means distance given. T equal to given. We find out S. And this type of problem we did before also. আমরা আগে এই ধরনের প্রবলেমগুলো করেছি. How to do this one? S means what? Speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. So speed equal to distance by time means we can write what? Distance value what? Just put it value 65. Value of distance 65 and T time 5 hours. Okay, clear or not? Actually here one mistake is there. Distance not 65 kilometer per hour. This one will be only kilometer. Hour won't come here because distance unit only kilometer will be there, not hour. That is actually that is printing mistake. That kilometer per hour means that is unit of speed. Unit of speed or meter per second, that is unit of what? Unit of speed. Okay, clear? So here 65, that is kilometer will come, and here hour will come. So here oblique. So here 5 13 ja 65. So what will come? 13 kilometer per hour. 13 kilometer per hour. Understood everyone? 13 kilometer per hour. Okay, clear or not? Okay, now question number 10. Question number 10, read the question everyone. Read the question. Question number 10 is telling all radii of a circle are dash. All radii of a circle are dash. All radii of a circle are what? Equal. All radii means what? Radius. অনেকগুলো যখন রেডিয়াস থাকে তখন একসঙ্গে তখন দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড হোয়াট? সিঙ্গুলার তো রেডিয়াস হয়, আর প্লুরালে কি হবে? দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড রেডি। অনেকগুলো যখন রেডিয়াস থাকবে দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড রেডি। ওকে, সো রেডিগুলো কি হবে? সমস্ত রেডিয়াস কি হবে? ইকুয়াল হবে। আন্ডারস্টুড? ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন। অল রেডিয়াস আর সেম বা অল রেডিস আর সেম। ক্লিয়ার? So I hope understood all problems. You should try it, you should practice it. Okay, so take your homework everyone. Which one your homework? Exercise this one 87, exercise 87 as well as exercise 86. 87 already explained. Okay, this one you will practice it and write in your copy, and rub work also will be there, and 86 also you should try, and if any problem you can ask me. Okay, you should try it, you should do the rub work also, and 87 and 86 that is your homework. Okay, and if any problem from 86, that one I will discuss later also. Okay, that's all. Take care of yourself.